Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and definitely taking benefit from the videos of the Crypto City. We are posting all the content for you guys, and we have something important for you. Very important announcement. All right, so see here, we were posting our newsletter for free from past few months, and you can come on our website and check. And now we have converted all of the data that we are providing in the newsletter. So what we are providing, so 3 newsletter per week. What each newsletter will contain, basically it has a detailed analysis of each altcoin, whatever altcoin we are selecting. For example, link I'll show you, and we are telling you all the important supports and resistance from where market can reverse. Either it's going bullish, then what is the main resistance that can cause a reversal so market can come down, and either important support where you can place your orders, or you can buy, or you can even if the support fails, what is the next support where you can add more into your bag. Basically we are talking in the bigger time frame, so that is important. All right, so important liquidity zones identification, this is also very important to know. You can definitely position yourself, and you can prepare yourself before the market reaches that point. So this is going to be very important, and we are providing you complete trade setup in this, so you can see basically what where you can buy, and where you should put your stop loss. And also we will provide you basically what other points are where you can take profits, and where you can basically take your setup to up to. And also we are looking into the technical indicators, which can tell you the market interpretations and potential bearish and bullish scenarios. Basically what you should look into the chart, or look into the market, that tells you that market is either bullish or bearish, right? So these are all important things that we are going to cover in each newsletter, and so you should see. All right, I am going to log in, and I'll just skip for a moment. Okay, here are the newsletters that we were posting throughout all the time, last few months, and you can see we are providing all the things. Let's just jump into someone. Let's see Bitcoin and Theta. Let's see this one. All right, so you see we are marking out everything in this chart, and if you go in detail, we are providing you total market cap, supply, what is going on, what are the important weekly levels, what are the important, basically you can see what are important supports, what are the important resistance. We are explaining each one of them with the price range, and as you can see, so everything weekly, monthly, we are covering all the things. And this is potential scenarios. We are telling you bullish scenario, what could lead to the bullish, what could lead to the bearish, interpretations, liquidation, and the trading setup. So everything is there, so you can come and join this newsletter, and this is going to play a very important role in your trading journey. Thank you very much, guys.